Hello guys, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'll be showing how to fix Chrome not opening or working on your PC. Alright, just sit back tight as we come right after the intro. Alright guys, so there are two main reasons why Chrome is not working on your PC right now. So the first is because there are some startup programs that are actually blocking Chrome from initiating its own startup process, and in most cases these programs are affiliated to Google Chrome, and with them together with Google Chrome programs you won't be able to open up the Google Chrome app. So to fix this issue, in the first instance you want to go to your task manager and just open it, and here you want to look for Google Chrome. So if there's any Google Chrome program running, you will have to quit it. As you can see here, I don't have any Google Chrome program. There's no Google Chrome program running actually right now, means this is not the reason why this issue is occurring. So in the second instance is because you quitted Chrome in the wrong way upon your last session, meaning while leaving the app you did not actually close it up very well, or you just forcefully turn off your PC. But that's not a problem, because in the worst of cases it is due to a corrupted file issue, the startup program corrupted file issue. But even so, it's not really a bad situation, because you can easily fix this. And also another possibility why this might have occurred is because you are running several profiles in Google Chrome. It is very common for most people running several profiles. I've gone through some forums and seen the same issues there, and it has also happened to me not once not twice but on several occasions. So if you're having many Chrome profiles, it is just normal that this issue happens, because the startup program does not know exactly which profile to run at that instant. So the best fix in this case is restarting your PC. So you want to restart your PC. Let me do that just right quick. Okay, after restarting your PC, you still want to go to the task manager and check for Chrome if it is still running in the background. So as you can see, Google Chrome is not running in the background. And now what I want to do is I want to open Google Chrome after I've restarted it. So let me just type Google Chrome. Okay, as I was saying, these are the several profiles I run on my Google Chrome, and when you restart your PC, it's typically going to fix this issue and you'll be shown this screen if you're having several profiles. So here you just want to choose the profile you want to run, and then you proceed with using the app. Okay, so the third and last result that you want to try is reinstalling Google Chrome. So if none of these remedies work for you, you want to reinstall Google Chrome. Don't go ahead and rename that startup file, because I've seen many folks out there doing the same issue and it is not actually working. That method does not work, guys. You have two options: either you restart your PC or you reinstall Google Chrome. So in this case, since Google Chrome is not working, if we consider the fact that Google Chrome is not working on our PC, let me just quit it. You have to go to the old guy, Microsoft Edge. So in this case, I want to open my Microsoft Edge and just simply search for Google Chrome, and you want to click on the first web result right here, and then just simply download and install Chrome. So you're just going to download right now. You can select the option to save or to open upon download completion. So guys, those are the different ways that you can fix your Chrome not opening on your PC. The first off is to restart your PC, because it is actually going to fix a couple of issues besides just fixing that Google Chrome issue. And if the issue is related with the startup file, it's just going to fix some corrupted files at this startup level, and then you'll be able to open Chrome without any issue. And the second method is to reinstall Google Chrome. So if restarting your PC does not actually help in resolving the issue, the best thing you want to do, instead of modifying the setup files, is to reinstall Google Chrome in the official way. So guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and push out the thumbs up, because we actually need to push it out to those in need as well. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one.